My name is Dr. Aziz Mehdi. I come from Visakhapatnam. I am basically an engineer from REC Trichy. I have done my management from XLRI in Jamshedpur, and I am also a PhD in management from Andhra University. I have heard of this place AVN Arogya Healthcare Center from a friend of mine who had been here and has been recommending this place for quite some time. However, I just kept delaying it, but when my problem became acute, I thought I must consider alternate medicine. I have come here actually, my feedback will be in two parts. One is the content and one is the process. The content is about the treatment here. I have come here actually with a bad knee, a knee arthritic knee, which has deteriorated and is in the third stage. I have tried every type of treatment, including allopathic, and surgery has been ruled out for me because of my heart condition. So there was no other alternative for me. So while I was looking around, I remembered my friend's feedback about AVN Arogya. So I said, why not give it a try? So I came here along with my wife and got admitted here. Told the people my background, my problem with my knee, I've got a heart condition, and then the treatment has commenced. As far as the treatment is concerned, it was generally a very satisfying, refreshing and wonderful experience. The treatment was divided into various types of massages, various types of medication, various types of physiotherapy and all that. It was a holistic approach to my problem, which was quite interesting. Basically, let me tell you that I am very skeptical about alternate medicine. I don't believe in it. But after having gone through this session here at Arogya Center, I have now come to believe that these things work. The therapies consisted of various types of massages, which included oil and pouring of the liquid on the head and massaging with oil, with various specialized treatments for the knee, which after a couple of days I found a tremendous improvement in my overall well-being. And actually I had come here basically with a very high heart rate of almost 120, 130, 140, which has been there for the past 1 year. But after coming here, after 4 days of treatment, there was a vertical fall in my heart rate, and it has come down to normal and has been maintaining normal for the past 15 days, which is actually a very surprising thing, because the allopathic cardiologist who's been treating me said that there is no solution for this. As far as my knee is concerned, the various physiotherapies, the various treatments, the various medications being given has definitely helped considerably, and my knee pain has come down almost 60 to 70%. I am now able to walk at least for some distance without acute pain in my knee. As far as my heart condition is concerned, it remains to be seen what is the improvement after I go back and check with my cardiologist. Other output of this whole thing is a general feeling of well-being, a detoxification of the system, a general feeling of calmness and a refreshing feeling, which definitely is something that I have not experienced for the past 1 year. Coming to the process, how this whole thing has been, I must really congratulate the administration here for its efficiency, the effective way they handle the problems, especially the doctors here. Dr. Sridevi requires special mention, Dr. Sonu, Dr. Malvika, Dr. Geetu have been excellent in the treatment. They have visited our room almost every day and checked up. And not only every day, the duty doctor periodically visits the room and finds out if we have any problems or any new developments in our problems. And the best part of the whole thing is, whatever complaint you make, it is immediately acted upon. It is not that they just note it down and then it is forgotten. Within half an hour, you find that there is some response, some medication is sought, some treatment is added, or the doctor comes and explains to you what is to be done. The real prompt action on whatever you say is the highlight of this particular treatment in this administration here. As far as the nursing staff is concerned, I must admit that I have not seen a more cheerful and a happy and an efficient nursing staff, unfortunately. and I've been to other corporate hospitals. But the promptness and the cheerfulness by which the nursing staff, and here I must mention the nurse Annal and Jilani, who have been exceptional in the way they have treated us, the way they have promptly come and administered the medicines, and the way generally they have interacted with us with such cheerfulness that half our treatment was their cheerfulness and their positive attitude that helped us recover much faster than. And about, I must add, the cheerfulness of the doctors who have been attending, the very positive way they would respond to our problems was almost like you say half the treatment was their cheerfulness and the positive attitude by which they were treating us. Needless to say, after all this, I'm sure all of you know that I am delighted by this whole treatment. And I go back definitely now with a positive feeling that these sort of remedies do work and they have quite a good impact on you. And I hope that this feeling of well-being, the pain in the knee and my heart condition sustains over a period which remains to be seen. And I'm sure the way the things are there, the doctors have assured me that I can consult them at any time, I can call them up, speak to them. And there is a one-to-one interaction with the doctors. There is no need to wait for hours together to meet the doctor. And these things have been really a positive thing. And hopefully I hope to be back just for a rejuvenation exercise next year. I look forward to being with AVN. AVN, thank you very much. You have really changed my outlook about life. Thank you.